Hi guys, Tim here. Very quick fleet update for you. So if you saw last year I did a full walk around of my 5 vehicles. This is a very quick update for you. The camper is still on the fleet. It looks lovely from the outside, but inside it still hasn't had its interior done. And it is down at Revs, which means it is finally going to be done. The man himself. Hello Revs. So I'm leaving the van here with you now, and you are going to work your magic on turning this into the dream van.
Okay, yeah. As long as you tell us what you need.
Yeah, well, I'll sort that.
We'll try it.
It's going to look good. It's going to look good.
Giving him a book of options.
Yes.
Loads and loads of options.
If you have any ideas, put it in the comments below. I've come down here to drop this off and collect this, which you've had. How long have you had the SE9 for?
I don't know, you've left it here for ages. All of lockdown, I think.
I think it has been down here all of lockdown, but I'll tell you what, it's looking good. It's had quite a bit of work done on it, considering I thought this was a fairly clean car.
Shocks, arms, links, bearings, back plates on the back.
Yes, which they're notorious for. 2 front tyres.
I can't even remember what else I've done. I've probably done loads of stuff.
One of the biggest things, like biggest improvements, this rear spoiler, which was pitted and horrible. But look at it now. You've done a nice job on that, Evans.
I didn't do it, that's how it was working.
Yeah, but okay, so let's do that again. You've done a nice job on this, Evans.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I'm looking forward to, because it's been probably the best part of a year since I've driven this car.
It doesn't bounce anymore.
Well, no, apparently not.
It used to bounce like crazy coming into roundabouts. She's planted now.
And the dog last featured on the channel last year as well. She's grown now. You're not a pup anymore, are you? Of course, there is another car of mine down here, Evans, isn't there?
Yeah, it's buried out the back somewhere.
Right, let's go and have a look at the SE5 then. And then hidden, tucked away. There it is, the SE5. Do you know how many people have asked me about this car?
No.
3. No. So last time it was on the channel was when I was digging it out to bring it down here.
You've driven it though, haven't you?
No, it's gonna have brakes.
That is it. When's the last time that started?
Bugger. These are brand new as well, £4 off each. The time has come for the Calibra to head off to Wales.
Don't bang race my car.
Still not been touched, still going to be worked on. Interior it's still got the Vauxhall smell.
If we move over to classics, we'll have a bit more time to get on with stuff like this instead.
For God's sake. Do you mind? Can you get your paws off the leather? Out. Get out. That's the other delays. I've had all these parts in the back of that van, but the van's been done now, so there's no space for you to...
I've been just snowed under with general repairs and general work, just all the time. It's non-stop, so I need some breathing space and I need to do stuff like this instead. Do what I want to do, not what I have to do.
Well, it's your fault that I'm into these.
Yeah, I know. And it's 50 quid for it as well.
Hang on a second. He paid £50 for that Calibra. I gave you £75 for the bloody wheels off it. Like, the van doesn't look that bad. But it does have some bits on it that need doing.
This is TLC.
This van, we've moved house in 2 or 3 times. 3 times now. We got married in this, well, didn't get married in the van, but it was our wedding car. It's part of the family. You can't get rid of little. So that's a very quick update for you on what's going on with the fleet. There'll be a drive video of the SE5 and C4 LTW coming up soon as well. I'm going to do them side by side, back to back, do the comparison between the two and try and explain why I've got 2 Calibras that are both red and look identical. There are actually quite a lot of differences between the 2. We'll be coming back down here soon, hopefully, to see the van. Hopefully you'll be seeing the finished camper van at Tank Trucks and Firepower. I really hope so, because that would make a massive difference for that show. Obviously we're seeing more of you because we're going to come down and do the SE5 as well. And all that's left now is for me to drive all the way back to England in the SE9, which looks fab. This video, it's a very quick update on the fleet. There's more updates coming, so if you'd like to see more of me, the shows I do, and more of the various cars that I like to try and keep on the road, underneath this video you'll see a little like button and a subscribe button. Hit that, and why not turn on the bell, you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you again soon.